Hello, good morning. Today is 30th of May, Friday. So I am just planning to go to Burj Khalifa and Dubai Frame. So already it is 10:15. It is very hot here. So I am just planning to go to metro, buy a day pass for entire day and proceed to Burj Khalifa. I am walking towards metro station. It is very hot here. It's only 10:30, not even 10:30, but very hot. So traveling by metro is fine because it is AC. You can see that Milan Veg. So there is a chain of vegetarian restaurants like Indian for Indian food in Dubai. This is Amber Clinics, is a hospital, pharmacy, beauty salon, Bangalore Dum Biryani. So we get enough, like wherever we go we can get South Indian non-veg, South Indian veg food. So it is not a problem here in Dubai, and it is typically lunch costs around like 20 dirhams in a good restaurant, vegetarian, I mean to say, dosa, uttappam or idli or vada. So it is around 450-500 rupees. So it is not bad compared to European countries like Switzerland, Italy or UK. So here is much better food. There are might be few like cheap options, food options, but I am yet to explore that. So today and tomorrow I am just spending 2 days exploring Dubai and only three important landmarks like Burj Khalifa, Dubai Frame, and also future of the museum of the future, something like that. I will say it is 150 dinars. So I have checked some websites, so there are no discounts. Also checked with the travel agent in my hotel Hilton, so there are no discounts if I buy 3 of them. So I will see. So this is a metro stop, Dubai Airport Free Zone. So I think it's green line. So I will take a day pass, and I think day pass is 20 dirhams. So it is called red. So red pass or something like that, gold pass. So I will check if it is valid in buses, tram and metro, monorail also. But now I am going to beautiful green line escalators to the station. This is tickets, automatic tickets, and also ticket office, but no one is there. So ticket vending machine. So I took a ticket for day pass, 22 dirhams. So this is the day pass, valid till midnight today. So now I am going to Burj Khalifa station by using green line and then change it to red line at Union Station. So these are gates. So I have to use my pass to enter. This is a metro map. So this is green line and this is red line. So I am here. I have to go take this metro, get down at Union and take red line till this stop or this stop to go to Burj Khalifa. So this is the platform 2 going to Creek. So I have to get a train here and go to Union Station. It takes around 20 minutes. So this is platform 2. Train is coming to platform 2 going to Creek. So I have to, this is red line, I have to get green line. I have to get down at Union Station and change train to red line. I got down this train, metro train, green line at Union Station. So now I have to go upstairs and take red line. Take this train to platform 2 and get down at Business Bay or Burj Khalifa. So I have to take this escalator. This is the red line which I came, is a metro line. So this is Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall stop. You can see the connection now to Dubai Mall. So just opposite to metro station is Dubai Mall. So from Dubai Mall I can enter Burj Khalifa. మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.